Most people spend hours hunting for clients and still end up with generating unqualified leads. I'm going to show you how the new ChatGPT's AI agent feature find 50 qualified prospects in just 1 minute. Now, a quick background about myself. I help businesses scale their lead generation. I prove this works by showing you real companies that the agent found. Let's get started. Now, before getting into the exact process to get the prospects from ChatGPT, let's understand what the new agent unlocks for us. ChatGPT's new agent opens up the next generation of business growth. Instead of giving you information to act on, it actually performs the research for you. For lead generation, it can open its own virtual browser, navigate websites, read real results, and build qualified prospect leads automatically. Instead of cold outreach to random businesses, we are finding companies actively present in the market. These businesses already have a budget allocated and intend to spend. We're going to do this together right now. First, go to chatgpt.com and open a new chat. Click on plus at the bottom of your screen, toggle mode on. In our prompt, we have defined that we want lead from companies looking for AI jobs for company size between 100 to 1000 employees. I am sharing the prompt in the description below. The agent will search job boards, read descriptions, and filter for exactly what we want. While the agent is searching in the background, in the next section, I'll show you how to automate this entire process so you never have to think about finding leads again. Let me show you the quality of leads this finds. The agent found Syngenta, a $23 billion agriculture technology company, actively hiring an AI transformation director. Now, this isn't just a small startup. This is a Fortune 500 company with a serious budget for AI initiatives. The agent identified the specific hiring need, found their company, and provided the details. This level of detailed lead information will take you to more than 30 minutes for each company. The agent found 50 companies, all while running in the background. When you reach out to these companies, you're not interrupting them with an unwanted sales pitch. You're offering exactly what they're actively trying to buy. The agent provides complete prospect intelligence for each company. Company name, website headquarters location, employee count, industry vertical, current hiring role, and a host of other information. This data is immediately actionable. You can export everything to a CSV file and import directly into your email platform. I will attach the CSV in the description to actually go through the actual output. Now, if you want the exact decision maker names and the direct contact information, you need advanced lead generation tools. That's where tools like SalesSO come in. SalesSO can find the precise name, email, and phone number of the specific person making AI transformation decisions. You can also use SalesSO to scale your LinkedIn outbound. You can push these leads into SalesSO and we would build 500 plus connections every month. Back to the video. You might be thinking, okay, we have the leads ready, but this I would easily exhaust in a week. The problem is one batch of leads isn't enough for real business. You need consistent flow of leads to generate business. The solution is automating this process to generate continuous leads. ChatGPT AI agent has a schedule feature that most people completely miss. You can take any agent task and set it to run automatically on whatever schedule you want. I set mine to run Monday of every week at 9 AM with the same identical prompt, no modifications. The agent will perform the same research process, apply the same qualification criteria, and deliver the same quality results. You should customize the frequency based on your sales velocity. If you are closing 10 deals per month, maybe weekly is too much and monthly is better. You now have a complete lead generation system that works autonomously. Just to summarize, use case 1 gives you immediate results when you need prospects today. Use case 2 ensures you never run out of qualified opportunities again. Your next step is turning these qualified prospects into personalized outreach that actually get responses. I'll be covering the complete email system and following up sequences using ChatGPT agent in the next week's video. I've got the complete prompt and setup guide in the description below. If this saved you hours of manual research, hit the like button and subscribe for weekly lead generation strategies and tactics that actually grow your revenue.